Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your PC performance by enabling the high performance mode. So let's start the video. First of all, right click your start button and select run, or you can do this, select the search option and select run and enter to open this application. And all you have to do is here type power cfg.cpl and OK. And here you can see right now it is on the balance mode, my performance, and I can select the high performance mode here. And after selecting this, my PC will perform in a high performance mode. So this is one way. If you cannot find this option, the high performance option, you can all you can do is select this balance option and select the change plan setting here, and here go to change advanced power setting. And now here search for the processor power management and expand that option. And here you can see minimum processor state, expand it. Here all you have to do is make this on battery 1 to 5 and let it be 0 and just make this plugged in 1 is 5%. And after doing that, go to the maximum processing state and make them both on battery or plugged in 100% and select apply and select OK. And in this way you can enable the high performance mode without if you don't have the high performance option. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.